Hello everyone. Here is one interesting thing here to learn. Do you see? This is like a tree or a trunk that was cut, and this part is called what? Log. Very nice. The outer layer that we see, it is called bark. Do you know there is bark that is used in another sense also? Yeah, and the dogs are barking. That is called also the bark. So the outer layer is also called bark. If you come closer, you'll see here, this is the inner part of the trunk. There are, if you see it closer, if you have a closer look, there you'll see a lot of things. Okay, the rings, the distinct rings. These are the annual rings that are made every year, and these rings not just tell about the age of the tree, but also tell about how was the weather condition, the environment, and what kind of nutrition the plant or the tree was getting from that surrounding. The innermost ring, the innermost dot or the center of this trunk is called pit, or it shows the year when the seed was sprouted. Okay, and as we go outward, you'll get the rings that shows the current year. Okay, like these bark, these are the recent one. Okay, so this is the outer bark. This ring, this is distinctly seen. This is the inner bar. This is outer bar, inner bar. The white part is called sapwood, and this is the xylem also. And the xylem, we know xylem transport water to all the part of the plant. And let me sit here, and if you see here, like this brown part, okay, this brown part is called this is the sapwood, and this is the heartwood. We say it heartwood, this brown part. Okay, this brown part is called phloem. Okay, this is xylem, this is phloem. Phloem transport food and minerals to the plants, to all the parts of the plant, and xylem is responsible for transporting water to all the parts of the plant. And this is the bark of the plant, the outer covering, which is the hardest one, and these cells are dead. Okay, these cells are dead inside, although now this tree is not, but when this is freshly cut, these are live cells, but these are xylem to the here bark, which is also called cambium. That is, those are the dead cells. Okay, and if you come closer, I want you to come here. Please come closer here. You will see here the distinct rings. From inner we'll say from here, although there are many minute rings, those are not really, we cannot see directly. But if you see, there is one visible ring. Okay, so this may be as we go from center to the outward, or the center to the radius, if you radial outward circumference of this circle or your trunk, you can say, we'll get to know the real age of the tree. Like from here, if it is the 0 is, so maybe till here it is 5-year-old tree, and if you come forward from, see here, one more ring is visible, maybe it is 10 years, and as we move outward, maybe it is 20 years, 25 or 30, till like this, you'll get to know the real age of the tree. So these rings are also called annual rings. Annual rings. So through the annual rings of the trunk, you can get to know the real age of the tree and how old the tree is, you can get to know. So this is very interesting fact So thank you so much for being with us and listening so patiently. Thank you.